Hello friends, today we will discuss on the offer letter option of HRD module menu in the video of Marg HR Expert. Offer letter is one of the document type which is provided to the employee through the employer, which indicates the job agreement between the employer and employee in which various types of information is included, like the designation of the employee, department, interview date, interviewed by, salary related details, employee joining date, place, and so on. So now let us see the process of how to fill the offer letter in the software, for which you will go to HRD module, then to employee reports, then click on offer letter. So this window of offer letter will open, in which employer can see the applicant list and their details. Now, employer will select the particular applicant from the given applicant of whose offer letter they want to create there. Then click on edit. Now, employer will fill the given fields as per the requirement, in which first field is interviewed on. Here, employer will mention that date on which date the selected employee was scheduled for interview. Next field is interviewed by. Here, employer will select that employee here who has taken the interview of this applicant. Then is post offered. Select that post here from the drop down of post offered which is offered to the applicant. Then is salary offered. Enter the salary amount here in salary offered field which is offered to the applicant. Next is branch. Select that branch from the drop down of the branch for whichever branch the applicant was assigned. Similarly, in location field, select that location for which location the applicant was assigned. Next is reporting date. Enter the reporting date of the applicant from which date applicant had to report. Similarly, in place field, enter the reporting place of the applicant. Now, after filling the given fields, click on the Save tab which is given here. So in this way, applicant details will be saved. Now, if you want to take the print out of the offer letter, then you will click on the Print tab shown here. So this small window of offer letter details will be shown like this. Now you will fill the fields one by one given here, like you will mention that date in offer letter date field on which date you have sent the offer letter to the employee. Similarly, in place of report field, mention that place for which employee has been appointed, like head office or branch, etc. Then is signatory name. Choose signatory name from the drop down. And in designation, choose the designation of signatory from the drop down. After this, if you want to take the printout of the letter, then click on the print tab given here. And if you want the printout of offer letter after saving, then click on save and print tab. Similarly, if you want to save the offer letter and you don't need its printout, then click on Save and Exit tab. For now, we will click on Save and Print tab to take the printout of offer letter after saving it. Then this alert window will open. Do you want to print from an old template? Click on Yes tab to confirm. Then one message window will open in which that location or path will be given where offer letter is saved of an employee or applicant. Click on OK. Now you will go to the location given in the message. So in this way you can see the saved document of offer letter. And after clicking on the document, you can see the offer letter of the applicant. So friends, in this way you can use the offer letter option of HRD module. Thanks for watching.